now from founder of Sakola Desa, Subang West Java. We call to Miss Bezi Galih Manggala. Time yours.
You from the very venue of Festival Tari Jaipong Kreasi Galupakuan Cup seri keempat, or in English it's the fourth series of Galupakuan Cup Jaipong Creative Dance Festival. And at this very moment, I will introduce myself first. Of course, my name is Bezi Galih Manggala. I am a friend of Elmi and Tina, and maybe some of you Batamnes know me because I was the host of the regional business building in 2018, the previous event of this regional connect event. And I'm going to share to you, it's been a long time since last time I speak in English like this in front of you guys. I'm going to share you guys about the activity that is being held by Galupakuan and Sakoladesa.id recently in this pandemic era. Galupakuan is one of the earliest kingdoms in Java Island, along with Sundanese Kingdom, and preceded by Tarumanagara and Salakanagara. And Sakoladesa.id is at the very moment supporting Karatuan Galupakuan in empowering villages in Indonesia, because Indonesia has more than 75,000 villages and only about 100 big cities. So it is very logical for us to support the villages to optimize the potential of Indonesian economy and social situation. And this festival is being carried out by Indonesian villagers and is right now being watched by already thousands of people each day, and from more than 8 countries from all around the world. And among them, Malaysia is the top highest foreign viewer along with India and Turkey. We are already by Indonesian ministers and in university and artist partners from all around the world, including United States of America, India, Germany and Russia. And this festival has affected a lot of village, especially Indonesian a place of education and literacy effort in promoting oceanic culture and maritime literature. This festival, the panel of judges are from the highest degree of academician. Jaipongan. Jaipongan is a traditional dance from West Java, and the panel of judges in this festival are the most prominent and highest degree of Jaipongan academicians in West Java, and they give a lot of materials and lectures about art and culture, especially from the point of view of Jaipongan, which in the process educates the viewers and enlighten the youth. And this one right beside me to participate Jaipong Kreasi Galupakuan Cup, the fourth series. We're trying to be active in this pandemic era, and I will be introducing her, one of the best Jaipongan dancer in Indonesia, and is being recognized by the highest degree of academicians in Indonesia. Halo, what's your name? Namanya siapa? No, nggak kedengeran. Mic-nya belum nyala. Udah nyala. Try again.
Kirana.
Her name is Kirana. Your full name? Nama panjang?
Kirana Nur Aprilianti.
Okay, and how old are you now? Umur berapa sekarang?
11 tahun.
She's only 11 years old, and you are a student. Sekolah di mana?
Di SDN Karangpaulang.
She is only a student of elementary school. How long have you been training Jaipongan? Udah berapa lama latihan Jaipongan?
Dari kelas 1.
She has been training Jaipongan dance from the first year of her academic year, ya, dari SD, dari elementary school. And what do you think about this festival? Gimana rasanya ikutan festival Tari Jaipong Kreasi Galupakuan Cup seri keempat?
Senang.
You're happy, why? Kenapa?
Apa ya? Bisa membudayakan budaya Indonesia.
Yeah, she's happy because she can practice Indonesian culture, and amidst this pandemic era, actually the festival means running for 4 years. After we have been carrying this festival offline. So the Jaipongan dancers come from all of the regions from Indonesia and dance offline and being judged directly in front of the panel of judges. But for this year, because of the pandemic, we are we are being forced to carry out this festival by using virtual means and online, digital literacy things. And this is a good thing, a great thing, because the judges, the panel of judges says that usually a Jaipongan festival can only reach being watched by only several hundred people lah maksimal. But in this virtual era with this pandemic, this festival has been being spread out hundreds, not thousands of people every day. And this is also the change for us, Sundanese culture and practitioners to explore and spread the message, the beauty of Jaipongan traditional dance to all around the world from YouTube channel in Galuh Pakuan Official. And this is how we Sundanese strive to stay productive in this pandemic era. We learn from one of the Jaipongan philosophy, which is in Sundanese language, ngigelan, means in English to dance with situation. So any situation come to you, we have to dance along with it. If you can't carry out the festival offline, then you can make it online. You can make it virtual. You can create something even much bigger with the troubles that is being faced in front of you. And also, we Sundanese Jaipongan dancers also have one of the philosophy, which is ngigelkeun, which means to make people around you dance. And this is also what happened in this festival Tari Jaipong Press Galuh Pakuan Cup. In the fourth series of our festival, we make a lot of people think more even creative, think even more advanced, and a lot of choreographers, the panel of judges, even 5 ministry in Indonesia, including Kemenkominfo or Ministry of Information and Telecommunication, also Ministry of Education in Indonesia, Ministry of the Village of Indonesia, Village Development in Indonesia, and Ministry of Pariwisata, and Ministry of the Maritime Sector in Indonesia. They are being inspired by this festival, which is being carried out by Indonesian villagers. They learn how to adapt technology and to make technology an effort to survive this pandemic. So I hope that this sharing from sakoladesa.id, which is right now supporting Galuh Pakuan Official to carry out the 4th series of Galuh Pakuan Cup Jaipong Creative Dance Festival, can give some enlightenment to you guys in Asian community in this event of Regional Connect, how to stay productive among the pandemic. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you from okay, Galuh.
Thank you.